We've seen that this year, as compared to the same period last year, there's an 11% dip in the number of complaints which we have received. There's also a decrease in the amount which is lost of the people. On the same hand, we've increased the number of FIRs because the conversion rate has improved. The refund has also increased. When we are looking at nationwide, there is a bit of increase in these areas. What the Cybersecurity Bureau has done, or what the state of Telangana has been, is that the government has a zero tolerance policy towards cybercrime. And the Bureau has been given all freedom as well as all support which the government can provide for us to take action against cyber criminals. So, what we have done is that one side is a massive awareness campaign, which are very targeted awareness, because we do profile that what are the type of people who become victims, and therefore then we have a targeted kind of an awareness program for them. The second part is the data driven technology supported approach of the bureau, wherein we do a lot of analysis on the information which is available. We use various tools, and based on that, we have done 5 targeted operations in the last 6 to 8 months. 2 were out of Telangana, 3 within Telangana. We've also ensured that the number of people who are arrested has almost tripled in this comparative period. The number of PT warrants which we have executed has also shot up. The number of cases which we have registered increased, because we are trying to see that more and more cases get converted, the complaints get converted into FIRs. And all this strategy of, targeted approach towards the criminal and awareness of the victims, this is probably something which has helped us in bringing this dip. It was very heartening for us to see, because everybody feels that cybercrime is something which is only going to be increasing over the period. But with this kind of approach, scientific data driven approach, it is possible to bring down cybercrime, and the Bureau has been working on this.